Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of handwriting. So I hope that all of you are watching my videos, and in those previous videos we had already completed small letters A to Z of Lucida calligraphy. And today we are going to learn Lucida block letters A to Z. In this video, let us start learning Lucida calligraphy block letters A to Z. So before we start practicing, as we did earlier, we have to practice the strokes. Both the small letters and the capital letters, the basic learning should be practicing strokes. So come, let's learn the Lucida calligraphy of capital letters A to Z. So in order to write capital letters, as I told you earlier, we have to practice the strokes. The strokes starts here. Okay. So we have to practice the strokes like this. At the same time, we have to practice the stroke to right side. So they will make capital A, capital letter A. For example, I'll show you. Capital A. So when we join these two strokes, the stroke to left and right, when we join them, we get capital A. Once again, right? Now let's go to capital B. Same stroke. When we take them, for example, here, when we join them, we get capital B. Okay? So, first you have to write the stroke. And now we have to practice this stroke. Okay? Once again. Okay, now when we join them, we get capital B. Okay, now we have the next stroke, that is capital C. It's very easy. When we practice this curve, that is capital C. Now next we have capital D. The same stroke, slanting to right side. And then when we have to take this C, reverse mode, we get capital D. Look. We get capital D. Next we have capital E. The same stroke, slanting to right side. And then we have to learn this one. When we join them, we get capital E. Look. We get capital E. Next we go to capital F. The same way, We have to take only this stroke and the top two, then we can get capital F. Look. We get capital F. Next we have capital G. For that we have to take this stroke first. So here, okay, and next stroke is here. When we join them together, we get capital G. Next, let's go to capital H. The same stroke we take here. Okay, and another stroke like this. And when we join them, see here, we get capital H. Now, when we take these strokes, these three of them, to joining them, so here and here, when we join them with the line, we get capital I. Next we have capital J. When we take this stroke and join them with this stroke, we get capital J. So it is the combination of this one and this stroke. We get capital J. Next we have capital K. So stroke slanting to right side and the stroke in this way. When we join them, we get capital K. Next we have capital L. And then next stroke is this one. When we join them together, we get capital L. And next we have capital M. So the stroke slanting to right side and then the stroke slanting to left side. When we join them, look here. Repeating the same thing again. Then we get capital M. So dear children, now you have to learn these strokes in this video. We have learned capital A to capital M. Now I am going to write capital A to capital M in this line. So first you have to start with these strokes. You have to practice them. Okay. Now look how I am going to write capital A to capital M. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, and capital M. So look, my dear children, capital A, capital B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. In order to write these, we have taken all these strokes. So when we take this stroke and this one, we join them, we get capital A. Next, when we take this one and this strokes like resembling 3, we get capital B. And see here we have this curve that comes as capital C. And we have written this stroke and this one, this C when we take and when we put it reverse, that comes as capital D. Okay, likewise, all the strokes are given from capital A to capital M. So you have to practice the strokes first and then you have to practice capital A to capital M of Lucida calligraphy. Now I will show you how to write it in your 4-line book. Okay, dear children, now I will show you how to write them in your 4-line book. Okay, so we have to start the strokes for capital A. So this is the stroke for capital A to the right side and this stroke is for left side, and when we join them together, look, we get capital A, right? Now the next stroke is like this, slanting to right side, and then like the digit 3. So when we join them together, we get capital B of Lucida calligraphy. Look. Next we have capital C. It's very easy to put this curve. Next we have capital D. Okay. So the stroke slanting to right side, and then the same C when we take it in the reverse mode, then we can write capital D. So look here, when we join them, we can get capital D. Look, okay. Next we have capital E. So the stroke slanting to right side, and then you have to practice these 3 strokes. Okay, and when you join them, there we get capital E. Look, fine. Next we have capital F. The same stroke, we have to take this one and the top 2. There we can get capital F. Okay, so next we have capital G. You have to practice this stroke, the C. Okay, look. You have to practice them, and the next stroke is like this. Right? Now when I join them together, we get capital G. Look. Next we have capital H. Stroke slanting to right side. Another stroke in the same way. When we join them, we get capital H. Look. Next we have capital I. So we have drawn the strokes for E here the same way. When you take 2 and draw this line stroke, then we get capital I. And the same stroke on the top, when we take and draw a stroke like this, we get capital J. Next we have capital K. When you take this stroke and when you practice this one, when you join them together, we get capital K. Next we have capital L. So this stroke and this one, when we join them, we get capital L. Next we have capital M. You take this stroke, slanting to right side, next one slanting to left side. When we repeat them twice, we get capital M. Look here. So we got capital M. So you have to practice these strokes. All these strokes, 2 pages. You practice them 2 pages. Don't forget to write your name, your class and section before you send them to your English teacher. Now let us write capital A to M. So before that, what do you have to do? You have to write your class. You have to write your name. And on the right side, you have to write the date. Now let us start writing calligraphy, lucida calligraphy of capital A to M. Look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and finally M. So you have to write them 2 pages, both the strokes and this capital A to M, and send to your English teacher on a daily basis. Thank you, children.